Now, for the notebook, we'll be using Google Colab. It's a Jupyter notebook that runs on the cloud, so everything is stored in the internet. So I suggest you guys to use Google Colab for your data science projects. So you just need to open Google Colab by typing in colab.research.google.com, and then it will lead you to this page. And just click on File and press New Notebook. Let's just wait for it to finish loading. Okay, now we're done. We've opened the file. Let's just change the name of the name of the notebook into tutorial or pandas. Oops. Let's just change it into pandas tutorial. So this one here, it is a block of code. So when it comes to coding in Jupyter in a Jupyter notebook, they're actually in blocks. So when you want to run a code, you don't have to run everything, the entire code. So there are only specific lines of code that you can run, or you can run only these specific blocks. So that's how it works for a Jupyter notebook. So for us to formally begin coding in Pandas, we're gonna import Pandas. So when we're importing a file, it also means like kind of like installing or bringing in the library, the Python library into your environment. So there it says there's a check mark on the left side, so it means that we have successfully imported Pandas. So here is I'm going to make a sample dictionary. I'm gonna call it dataset equals to uh, colors red, green, and blue. So this is a list, and then also I'm also gonna make another list for the dictionary. Colors, numbers equals 1, 2, and 3. So we already have the dictionary over there. So we're gonna check if it's actually a dictionary or not. So we're going to print the type of the data set. So it's a dictionary. So by using pandas, we're going to change this into a data frame. So we're gonna know more about data frames in the following lessons. So by changing this, I'll be assigning it to df. So this is the code to turn a dictionary into a data frame. The code has finished running, so let's print out the type of the data frame to check if it's actually a data frame, and it says here that this one is a data frame. So so let's also print it out. That's before we talk about pandas, let's print the data frame itself to see what happened. So this is what happened when we've turned a dictionary into a data frame. So let's compare it with a dictionary. That's the difference. So by using pandas, we were able to turn this dictionary into a data frame. So this data frame is it's much cleaner, it's more organized, and we can see the potential of pandas when we're working on with data. So that's for the introduction about pandas. So in the next lesson, we will be knowing about series, about data frames, and all things alike.